Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Halo Infinite mouse is lagging or not working and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is all about we have to talk about the solution, and let me move to it. So we have following solutions, and before that I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read same article on our website, and you can watch many more topics like Android, game, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. So let's dive into it. So the first one is all about if you are on the Halo Infinite. So the first thing what you have to do is you just have to, if you are trying to play, you have to close the game and you have to reboot the Halo Infinite, and you have to see whether you are done with this one. If it's not working, then what you have to do is after opening the game you have to make sure that you have you have to connect mouse before launching the game, which means if you have disabled it up you have to reconnect it back and check. Then after trying to play the game Halo Infinite, most probably that's going to help you guys out. Even after trying the first two steps, if it's not working, then most probably it is regarding the update on the drivers. So most probably you have to go here on this PC, just have to right click, then go to properties. From over here go to device manager, and over here as you can see we have mic and other pointing devices. So you just have to right click and you just have to expand this, then just have to right click and go for update driver, go search automatically for drivers, and as you can see this is on the latest version. So this is what you have to do. Then after trying this out, the next is all about what you have to do is just have to avoid you have to just make sure that Windows is on the latest version as a parallel one. And also even after trying this one by one, you just have to do a restart on your PC and you have to try to play the game, and most probably after all these things the issue has to be fixed. This is how you can fix the mouse is not working or it's lagging on Halo Infinite, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.